Story of Tesla and Elon Musk. Nikola Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current AC electricity supply system. Tesla was born on 10 July 1856 in Smiljan, Croatia. Elon Musk, on the other hand, is a South African-born American entrepreneur, investor, and engineer. He is the founder, CEO, and lead designer of SpaceX, co-founder, CEO, and product architect of Tesla Incorporated, and co-founder and CEO of Neuralink. Tesla's life was full of groundbreaking innovations and discoveries, including the development of the AC motor, the Tesla coil, and wireless communication. However, despite his significant contributions to science and technology, Tesla struggled to commercialize his inventions and died impoverished in New York City in 1943. In contrast, Musk is a serial entrepreneur who has founded several successful companies, including PayPal, SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink, and the Boring Company. He is known for his ambitious goals and his focus on sustainable energy and interplanetary colonization. Musk's interest in Tesla began when he co-founded PayPal and became interested in renewable energy. He eventually invested heavily in Tesla and became the company's CEO in 2008, leading its transformation from a struggling startup to a major player in the automotive industry. Under Musk's leadership, Tesla has introduced several groundbreaking products, including the Model S, Model X, and Model 3 electric cars, as well as the Powerwall home energy storage system. Musk's vision for Tesla includes a future where sustainable energy and electric cars are the norm, and where humans are a multiplanetary species. In conclusion, the lives of Nikola Tesla and Elon Musk are both marked by innovation, determination, and a passion for science and technology. While Tesla struggled to commercialize his inventions and died in obscurity, Musk has built a legacy of successful companies that are transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Dear friends, like this video as well, share with others, also subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.